another video. Today I'm going to be making Snickers apple salad. And what you're gonna need is some Granny Smith green apples, some caramel. You're gonna need just 1 tub, but I have a little extra just in case. Some vanilla instant pudding, and of course, your Snickers. What I'm gonna do is I have 7 apples, and I'm gonna wash them, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm going to dice them up. So I'm gonna cut my apple this way, and then I'm just going to dice them up like that. I'll show you guys one more time. And you just want to do that to the whole apple, until all of your apples. So I end up using all the apples in my bag. Why not? Because I only had 2 apples left. And this part you don't have to do, but I find this part to be, I like doing it because it keeps your apples from browning. So you just want to make sure you get some lime all over. I use about a whole lime, because I have quite a few apples. And you just want to toss it around so everything, the lime gets on the apples. So we're going to do our vanilla instant pudding mix, and what we're just going to do is just follow the package in the back, and we're going to open it. And on here it says to use 2 cups, right? Yep, 2 cups of milk. And then what I'm gonna do is just stir it until it becomes pudding. And you're gonna have to stir for a while. So all you have to do is just keep stirring. See, my pudding has gotten thickened. So I'm just gonna set that aside, and I'm gonna show you. I already peeled my Snickers, and I'm just gonna cut them like this, and then bite sizes like that. Okay, so they're pieces like this. You can cut them smaller or bigger you want, but that's how I like it. So now my Cool Whip is unthawed. Just gonna throw it in here, the whole container. Just gonna mix this up together like so. The rest that's in the tub. Okay. And then here, I'm gonna throw it all in here. So make sure you mix it all together. Yum, it looks good. You're gonna put your Snickers in there. Mix it together. If you want more Snickers, you guys can put more Snickers. And then I like to just drizzle some caramel. Like that. And what I'm gonna do is just set it like this and put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and then it's gonna be good to eat. So here I transferred it into a tub, and I just drizzled, I mixed everything together and I just drizzled some more caramel on top. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys enjoy.